Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Shein account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to a stable internet connection. Open the Shein app on your phone, or open your web browser and go to Shein.com. If you are on the website, select your country or region if the page asks you to confirm it. Look for the sign in option at the top of the screen, usually near the account or profile icon. Tap or click Sign In to open the login page. Choose how you want to sign in, such as email, phone number, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you want to sign in with email, select the email option on the login screen. Click into the email field and type the email address you used when creating your Shein account. Click into the password field and type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to avoid typing mistakes, use the Show Password icon if it is available. If you are using your own device, you can enable Remember Me to stay signed in. If you are on a shared device, do not use Remember Me for better security. Now tap or click the Sign In button to submit your login details. Wait a few seconds while Shein verifies your account information. If you see an error message, recheck your email and password for spelling errors. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the same screen. Enter your email address or phone number, then request the verification code or reset link. Open your email or messages, find the Shein code or link, and follow the instructions to create a new password. Return to the sign-in page and log in again using the new password. If you prefer faster access, choose Google, Apple, or Facebook and select the same account you used before. Approve any permission prompts so Shein can authenticate your sign-in method. After signing in, confirm you are on your account by checking the profile icon or account page. Go to My Orders to verify you can see your recent purchases and shipping updates. If the page keeps refreshing, close the app or browser completely and reopen it. If you still cannot sign in, clear the app cache or browser cookies and try again. Update the Shein app to the latest version if you are using an older version. For extra security, log out when you finish shopping on public or shared devices. If you think someone else accessed your account, change your password immediately in account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.